Hello everyone, welcome to Tap and Solve. Many of us are familiar with the Money app, but not everyone knows how to use it properly to solve our daily needs. This app is incredibly easy to use, whether it's depositing money, sending money abroad without transfer fees, paying utility bills, topping up your prepaid or postpaid SIM, and much more. Support us in growing and bringing you more useful content by subscribing to Tap and Solve. Step-by-step guide to using the Money app. First, download the Money app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and enter your PIN code to log in. If you're a new user, follow the steps to sign up. Once you're on the dashboard, tap on Add Money. Add money to your account. You can deposit money in 3 ways. From bank account, using a debit or credit card, through a payment machine. The easiest method is by debit, credit card, or payment machine. How to send money abroad with no transfer fee. Tap on Send Abroad. Select the country you want to send money to: India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, etc. Tap on Start Transfer. You'll see the live exchange rate, free transfer fee, and estimated duration. Tap Next, select New Beneficiary, and enter the recipient's details. Once their account appears, select it and review everything carefully. Enter the purpose of the transfer and source of income. Tap Review Transfer, check the important information, and tap Continue. Add a coupon code if you have any promotions or discounts, and finally tap Confirm Transfer to complete the process. Next, to send abroad, tap on Bills and Top-ups. You can recharge Etisalat or DU prepaid or postpaid SIM, pay home utility bills, pay for vehicle and transport services, top up or settle fines, do international mobile recharge, and much more. Send money within UAE. Tap on Send Money to transfer funds locally in just a few clicks. To send to any UAE bank account, tap the option. Enter recipient details. Complete the process easily. To send money to another Money user, just enter their mobile number and amount. That's it. The Money app makes all this possible with low or no fees, all within minutes. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Tap and Solve. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to comment below. I'll definitely reply. Best of luck.